Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Happiness a Lifestyle and I'm Hema, and today I'm going to be getting to you a Ross haul, some things that I had bought from Ross a few months back actually, but I have not done a haul video on them. So let's get on with the video. Let me share the things that I've got. I have the bags right here, and I think one or two things I've probably already removed and tried them, but let me show you guys. The first one I want to show you guys are some kind of stuff for leg, like these ones here. These are for the ball of the foot. So this first one here, I got this one for, it's like for the bottom of the foot, if it hurts when you wear heels or something. Sometimes if it is too much heel, it does hurt for me, so I thought let me try this. I don't know how good it is, but I'm going to try it. So it's at the ball of the foot, you just wear that like that, so put it in the shoes or something, or sandals. So this was $3.99. I got these, and then the other one is also similar to that, but this was a little bit different. So if you see that, it shows like some shoes there with the way you need to wear it. Again, it's for the ball of the foot. Gel cushion. This says gel cushion. So I just wanted to try different brand and see how they work. So this one is rejuvenating ball of the foot gel cushion. It says copper oxide enhanced. So I don't know if that helps, but this was $2.99. And both this is the brand called ProFoot, and this is from Provonic. I think I've heard something like that. So this was those two. I think I uploaded my Ross video, just like a quick tour of the Ross or something. I had uploaded shopping at Ross or something. So there I had found some Honest products, but I didn't buy the one I showed you guys, I think, on there. I actually found this younger eye cream. The Honest, it's from the brand Honest. I think it's like a brand that Jessica Alba owns. Yeah. So it's supposed to be like all organic and or mostly organic ingredients in it. So this is the younger eye cream. So I got that. It was $5.99. And I've been getting a lot of these eye creams. I don't know why I'm getting all this, but so this is how it looks inside. The packaging is really cute and nice, and since it's organic and all that, I thought let me try it. Or the ingredients are supposed to be really good, not too harmful ingredients in it. So that's the eye cream for $5.99. So the next one, guys, is this palette I found from, this is a BH Cosmetics blush palette. It's a professional blush 10 color blush palette. Professional blush 10 color blush palette, and it is from BH Cosmetics that you can find even in Ulta right now. And this was $5.99, and I don't know the original price, somewhere between 10 to 15 I think the original price for this is. So let me show you the inside. I just got it because it has all colors, I liked that it has so many colors. So it doesn't have a mirror though, so it just has this cover on it, and then there's colors. You have all colors, really nice. You have even something that you probably can use bronzer or something, brown color. You have brown colors here, brown shades, and then all this kind of, if you want to try something and see how it looks on you for different shades, you can try something like this. Even at BH Cosmetics, I don't think it's that expensive, so it's really good. I've not tried it yet, but I've swatched them. But I just like that it had all shades in it, so that's the reason I got it. So this was $5.99. And then next one, and I do have clothing haul that I've kept to the side. I've not showed you guys, but I'll just show you one thing just because I got this recently. So beautiful, right? It's the shawl or a scarf actually, not shawl, sorry. It's a scarf. Beautiful scarf. I love this print, and with the print, with that black and white print, this colors here on the side, that's what I love. So beautiful. It is Calvin Klein actually. It's a Calvin Klein, and it was usually these like shawls, if you see like Michael Kors or Calvin Klein, you can find for cheaper, I guess. But some other brands, this is retailed at 44 actually, but it was $12.99. It's $12.99. Beautiful. I love the way it looks. Like, look at that. Right? It is so beautiful. Like, I can even use it with something else maybe, but it's nice. I love the pop of color with the black and white. I love that. So beautiful. Love it. For $12.99. So that's it. And then next one is this roller. I've been seeing this all over YouTube, like not this exact same one, but these kind of stuff for your face, like, you know, the kind of, I don't know, to tone your face or something. This is like this rollers. This is a Jade Gua kit and depuff and contour. So I've seen, like, this is how it looks. This is like a roller that you can use, like roll it, like, you know, do this like that to kind of give that lift to your face. And then even this one is also used for that, to kind of go over like that, I think, do that. So I don't know, but I just feel like this might be helpful, because like whenever you're even applying anything on your skin or massaging, or you go to the parlor or you go anywhere, they always say the way you apply things is like that, right? You're always going like upward motion like that and doing stuff, because that helps lift your skin up. So whenever, even at night time, when I'm doing my nighttime routine with like all my skincare stuff, I always go upwards like that and, you know, rub it that way. So that motion will always help lift this up here, so that it doesn't sag like really fast, right? Especially when you're aging. So I think something like this would still help. I don't know how good quality this is, but I think it'll still help. So I thought, let me try this on. And you probably have to like moisturize your face, put something on, and then you can do this, so you don't like, you know, hurt your skin. So I thought I'll try that. So this was for $6.99. It says comparable value is $15. I would think comparable value is always will be more. Actually, they always put less here. So this was $6.99. I got this for $6.99 at Ross. And then the next one I got is this. This is the one actually I have already removed and tried it on. This is the Vitamin E concentrated cream, the Palmer's Vitamin E, just, you know, regular Vitamin E stuff. And I've already tried it, kind of used this on my hand. It's formulated with natural benefits of cocoa butter, avocado, apricot, coconut oil. You can use it on your face, body, anywhere. And I think I've only tried it on my hands. It is a multi-purpose one, but I've tried it only on hand. And this was for, where's the price? $4.99. This was $4.99. This is the lipstick holders. And I know I've already showed you guys like the organization of all my lipsticks and everything. I have that big thing, this, I think it's called the Sorbus makeup organizer that I got from Target. So I have all my lipstick and stuff like that in it. I've arranged all my makeup in it. But what I'm seeing nowadays is that I am not really reaching for all those lipsticks, because I don't like see them displayed, right? It's all inside in those drawers in the back. So I am like only using the ones that I keep on top, and really I forget the ones that are in the bottom. Like, I realized that I probably might need something like this to display. So when I found it for a good price, I just like grabbed them. This was for $5.99. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 24 lipsticks. Wait, 8 times 3 is 24, right? Yeah, 24 lipsticks you can hold. So I got 3 of these actually. 1, 2, 3. So 6, $6 each. 1, 2, and 3. So I got 3 of them because I only found 3. There were only 3 there, so I grabbed all 3 of them. So whenever I do that organization, which I don't think right now, but later sometime, then I'm going to use this to display at least some of the lipstick on there. I don't know where to keep them right now because I am keeping everything in the in my master bath like I had showed you guys. So this, like, I don't know where else I'll find space to keep this. I don't keep them on dressers or something, so I will try to think of doing something, maybe keep it in the drawers or something. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and take care. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. And I have so much more videos to record now, but yeah, I'm gonna make time and do all that. So thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, be happy, and take care of yourself. Bye, guys. Love you all.